Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss the examples of torts. We want to discuss the types of torts that is very essential to be taken care. The most common examples of torts are following: trespass to person. This is a tort which imposes a duty on one person not to assert or battle or falsely imprison another person. It totally depends on a person, and this tort based to one person to another. Okay. No one can, no one should falsely impose anything to another person's or any person's. Just like no one can make false things, can say false things to other persons, and it if he says, then the other person can sue him according to the law. Secondly is trespass to land. Same, it is like the first one, but here we take a concept of a land as compared to the person. This is a top impose a duty on one person not to interfere directly with another person's land. Any person should not interfere someone else's property or someone else's land. If he do, then he have every right to sue that person according to the law. Sue in the court or sue in front of people, etc. So these are the two examples, and next example is negligence. It means that no one should neglect anything that hurts the other person. For example, you are going in a car, and in a traffic you are playing games on mobile, or you are listening a call from mobile, and your car hit the car in front of you. That makes a damage to the person's property or person's cars, person's thing belongings, and the person can sue you in the court according to the law. And defamation means reputation. No one can, no one should impose false saying or impose false behavior to another person that disturbs, that affects its reputation. This is called defamation of the tort. Next, we are going to discuss the essentials of torts. First of all, civil wrong. As we know that a tort cannot be sued if there is no civil wrong, if there is nothing that is according to unlawful conditions. If a person, if a person any commit any crime according to the law, according to the law, it should be wrong, civil wrong. It should be against the law. That will be a censure of the law. And infringement of right in rem. It is right vested in some determined person and available against a world at large. Right in personam. It is a right in some determined person and available against some determined person on a body. Thus, mutual rights arising out of mutual agreement between the parties and in person. Number 3, right fixed by law. The right which is infringed must be right which is fixed by the law, independent of the consent of the parties. Common law action. The action available in respect of such a violation of rights should be common law action. Remedy. A remedy by the law. A remedy should be by way of unliquidated damages. If there is no remedy, there is no wrong. So these are the some essentials of the torts. Today we discuss about the example of torts and some essentials of torts.